Last March 31, 2024, but even for a limited time, this student of MCA Davao Exemplary demonstrated excellence, strength, and steadfast faith of a true MCA. At this point, allow us to recognize the accomplishments and meaningful memories left by the late Arnel P. Curacao Jr. Posthumous award is given to Curacao Arnel Jr. I request the parents of Arnel Curacao to receive the award. At this moment, let us have a moment of silence for the late Arnel P. Curacao Jr. Although Arnel is not here anymore physically with us, but with our memories with him, I know that everyone is proud of him. And congratulations to the mother and parents of Arnel P. Curacao, for your son is truly a true MCA.